how do I know if I have good insurance? Well, if you're in the state of Georgia, you're going to have the basic liability, comprehensive, and collision coverage, and then there's medical payments coverage. There's a couple of extra things that you can add, but those are the 5 most important things that every insurance policy should have. Number 1 is liability. That's the coverage that you protect someone else with when you're at fault in an accident. If you cause an accident, you rear-end someone, you're the one that caused it, liability is how much coverage you have to protect the other person. Liability is for the other person, not for you. If you want to protect yourself, you got to make sure you have good uninsured motorist coverage, because a lot of times what happens is people get in accidents and it's not their fault, but they get hit by someone who doesn't have insurance. So you have to have good uninsured motorist coverage. I personally recommend at least $100,000 in liability and uninsured motorist protection coverage per person, because one emergency room visit can set you back $30,000 to $50,000. Now for comprehensive, number 3, and collision coverage, that's just to protect your car. If you really have an expensive car and you want to protect it no matter what, then get the comprehensive and collision. And finally, number 5 is Medpay. I think medical payments coverage, or Medpay, is the most valuable thing you can do for your car insurance policy. It's basically like a free check that your insurance company will write for you if you're in an accident and you say, hey, I have, $5,000 in medical bills. They'll just cut you a check for $5,000 and give it to you. And then if your health insurance pays for those medical bills, you owe nothing. So Medpay, get it.